Hey guys, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to use Hot Tunnel for free internet. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Search for Hot Tunnel Plus. Click Install. Hope you have already subscribed to our channel for more tech videos. Step 2. Open the app. Don't forget to subscribe. Step 3. Click on Custom Setup. Look for Custom SNI. Step 4. Put in otrov.com. Step 5. Select servers. Choose any you want. Step 6. Change your port to 443. Step 7. Connect the VPN. The VPN is working successfully. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech videos. Don't forget to subscribe.